Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn on or enable the caps lock sound notification here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, we need to bring up our settings. So by that, you can proceed at the button search bar and type for settings. Or you can simply press Windows and I key together in the keyboard, and by that you would be able to show up or you would be able to bring up the settings. Okay? So once the best match would appear here, click on open to continue. Once you are here with this settings window, you need to proceed at the left side of that where you can see there a list of the option. Look for accessibility, click on it, and under the accessibility tab, you need to scroll down and proceed with the third category, which is interaction. So I can see it here, and under the interaction, it is being composed of speech, keyboard, mouse, and eye control. And since we'll be enabling the caps lock sound notification. So we need to proceed with keyboard since it is being under the keyboard. You just have to click on it. And the moment you click on it, you need to proceed with the sticky filter and toggle keys. So here you need to locate for toggle keys. So this toggle keys will play a sound when you press caps lock, number keys, or even scroll lock in your keyboard. So all you need to do is you need to proceed to the option where you can turn on or where you can turn off the toggle keys. And since we'd like to enable or we'd like to turn on the sound notification whenever we press, especially the caps lock key in the keyboard, you can turn it on. And in this way, the moment press the caps lock key in the keyboard, there would be a sound notification. So let's go check. So let me just bring up my on-screen keyboard. Let me just turn it on. Okay. And let me just press the caps lock key or even in the physical keyboard. Okay, you can hear it right. There is a sound notification the moment you have pressed it. Okay. Even in the shift key, the moment you've pressed it, there is also a sound notification and even in the number keys. Okay. So the moment you've pressed it, there is a sound also. So you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.